Instant ramen is salty. Every ramen is salty. It depends on how you cook. 술 다 먹어?
Why?
응?
나 먹고 있는데 사도.
You finished.
아, 그렇지 뭐 좀.
먹었어.
예. 깜짝이야. This is why my Korean moms and grannies love me. Oh, my food is so tasty like that. Oh, you need more?
Subway 200 bonus 20. Do they have kimchi at Korean Subway?
No. Gold Dog Rogers just cheered 200 bit. Thank you very much. Korean Subway doesn't have it.
Thank you.
Oh, it's the only more. Where's the cover? Did you fix the cover? Thank you. Big stomach. But essentially, my stomach is not that big. Got Z Funk just subscribed. Thank you very much. Welcome new sub September. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, now that we can talk about the cat bug, the bugs are in cat's hair. Yeah, we found it last night, so that we want to go to the vet. And unfortunately, even though today is a holiday, one vet is open, so if we want to go there with the cat stroller. Yeah, we should carry with 3 cats.
I think it's a flea. I just found some bugs on Kyung Kyung's fur, and on the skin. Shit. And then actually I realized that they are scratching many times these days. So, but I couldn't notice. Shit. I'm a bad owner. I'm very sorry about them. And that, how I found that bugs in their fur, because I just petting them last night, and then there's something there, like I thought it's like it's like cat acne. You know, they have also some acne things. So I thought that, so I just saw inside, and then it was just a scar. And then Ame and Yuki and Kyung Kyung all has a scar on their skin. I think it's because of their still itch. So I think they scratch it with their paw. But I couldn't find any bugs in Ame and Yuki. It's just Kyung Kyung. I think Kyung Kyung has a lot. But Ame and Yuki has the same scar like Kyung Kyung, so they all have it. Yeah, if one cat have it, and then the other cat have that too, right? So today we'll bring our cats to bed, and then kill all the germ and bugs inside outside. Flea bad thing coming. But I'm not sure it's a flea. I'm not sure. That bug is really tiny, but it's noticeable, like visible. I can see that box, and also it's dark. 진드기는 영어로 뭐지?
I don't know. So we don't know what it is. So we want to go to the vet and check it. Yeah, let's see what it is. Let's ask the doctor.
You need to see how the fleas or bugs, any bugs, got on them, since they are all indoor cats. Maybe you brought some in your clothes. Yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah.
Because we always, like yesterday, like there's a lot of bush, and then we going in the wild sometimes.
진드기 tick. Thank you very much.
Tick. I don't think that's tick. Yeah, it doesn't look like a tick. It's a little long.
Yeah. Anyway, the cats have some very small scars on the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't find the same bugs on Ame and Yuki's skin, but I can see Kyung Kyung very easily. But they all have same scar.
Oh, do you want to show the bug?
No.
You don't want to show, but the people want to see that. Is there anyone who doesn't want to see that?
He's already writing that.
Yeah.
It's hard to showing you.
You want to see it?
I have to find Kyung Kyung's fur on Kyung Kyung's fur like that.
Yeah, people want to see.
Really? You can see, and then you can recognize it's a flea or tick. It's a.
Only you have a microscope lens, but it doesn't work with this cam. Yeah. Anyway. It's 100% from outside. We brought that box to inside.
because they are indoor cat.
빨리 보여줘.
Okay.
Let's see that.
어떻게 보여줘? It's hard to see. And King King
It's
is
hard
waiting
to
to
see.
go outside already.
Yeah. Just right
He's
there.
ready. King King. Ready. King King is ready. I think I have to call Kyung Kyung and Amen Yuki for like with the food. Call them with the food. 이리 와.
Feed them first.
응. 아니 얘네를 불러야지 보지. 이리 와봐. 킹킹이는 이거 의자 좀 여기다 끌어봐. 여기서 먹게. 그러면 보기 쉽잖아. Hold on.
한 다음에 보여줘. 한 다음에 줘. 그래야 되지 않나? Whatever.
아니 근데 지금은 잡기 위해서 하는 거라서. 자, 아메. 자, 볼까? Let's check it. 아, 여기 얼굴 주변 있다. 먹어. 먹어. 아, 예쁘다. 먹어. 오케이.
촬영 안 돼.
먹어. Can you see? 아. 똥 있어, 똥. Poop. I think it's a bug poop. It's not bug, but very tiny black dots on.
이거 그거 쓰면 안 좋아해.
안 쓸게. 여기. 근데 이거 안 써. 여기 보이지? 이거 봐. 이거 it's poop, right? 아니, 일로 나와봐. 이거 here.
Flea poop? It's fleas?
It's a flea?
You just saw it?
먹어.
You saw that?
먹어.
It's moving. It's flea. Flea egg.
It's a flea egg? Holy shit.
Yeah, it's a flea poop. I've never seen that.
여기 무빙 하는 애들도 있어. 버그도 있어.
42 coupon nuts, just a fry. Thank you very much. New stuff. Welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you!
Thank you very much. September.
Thanks for the... Kyung really hates touching like that. Just let him eat, okay? Here, 먹어. Oh yeah, see here? 이거. Can you see this dot? Black dot? It's a poop or flea eggs.
Yuki wanna
Once more.
No?
여기 봐봐. 여기. 이거 봐봐. 이런 거. Right? This one?
Yeah. Anyway. Flea egg. 야, 가자.
Okay.
Not finished yet?
Yeah,
Every
Kyung always.
other cats
Kyung so
already
slow.
finished.
Slow eater.
You slow eater. This fleas. Okay. Till 1990s, most of the South Korean kids had fleas in the hair, on hair.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I had it too.
벼룩이잖아. 이
네.
말하는 거야, 오빠는? 이랑 벼룩이랑 달라.
Yeah,
difference.
different.
Flea.
Flea is different.
Yeah, flea
이.
is 벼룩.
What is E?
이.
이 뭐지? 이. 이.
유행병처럼 놀았지.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Sucking lice? Yeah, lice.
Lice.
Yeah, lice, lice, yeah, lice, yeah. Yeah, lice. Sucking lice.
Kimchi fried lice.
Yeah, lice. 가자.
Alright. 여기 들어가게 해야 된대.
응.
3 cats.
Lice.
It's
Yeah,
hard
lice.
to carry.
Knit.
It's hard to carry 3 cats inside here, so cats with the cage. So I will just put them all here.
Yeah.
So pet.
Yeah, we don't have a carpet.
Just using.
They need to spray as fast as possible. Yeah, let's go. 너 빨리 가.
들어가, 킹킹이. 킹킹 wants go outside. 들어가, 점프해. Go inside themselves. He can go inside himself.
Yes.
Yes.
유키 too. 유키. 유키 in.
유키. You notice? 오빠 잡아줘야 돼, 오빠.
더라고. 너. 오케이. 가자.
아이.
I know.
그러니까 도와줘야지 그걸 하면 안 되고 내려서.
가자.
But 킹킹 is ready.
가자. 애들 유키부터 잡아야 돼. 도망가려고.
기다려. 킹킹. 언니 킹킹 ready to go outside.
Yeah. Where's Ame?
아메 there. 근데 동시에 넣어야 돼. 오빠랑 나랑 유키랑 아메 한 마리씩.
아, 이거 여기다 세워놔야 돼. 넘어질 수 있는데. See, it doesn't have. It doesn't have tripod now. 이거 참 세워놓고 같이 해야겠다. Let's do it at the same time. Okay? 다음에 빨리 잡아놓고서
와, 여기.
유키 잡아. Grab Yuki. Grab Yuki. Grab Yuki. Why you hate it like this? I'm noticed. Oh my god. 아메. 아니, 또 넣어. 넣은 다음에 한번.
잠깐만.
Why?
한 마리 먼저 넣고 한 마리 먼저 넣어야 돼.
같이 넣고 놔둔 거지. I'm noticed. 아메. 왜 다 더 지금 넣자고 안 나오잖아.
이게 좀 약간.
응? I'm noticed. I'm noticed.
여기다 넣어야 돼? 아메 넣을 거면 여기다 넣어야 돼. 아메.
넣어. 야, 봐, 엉덩이 잡아줘. 엉덩이. Yes. 안 돼. 오케이. 됐다. 일단. 어우, 씨. 야, 눈치는 빨라갖고. Okay, let's go. Success.
Let's go. Come on. Bring their treats.
나 이거 그냥 들고 가도 상관없지? 네가 다 들고 나올 수 있지?
응.
어?
응.
아, 너 이거 들 수도 있어? 여기.
아, 들어야 돼. 오빠, 돌아줘야 된대, 이제. 나와서.
그러면은 저 앞에 나가는 데까지 이 상태에서 한 손으로 들어줄게.
오케이.
어? 너는 같이 들어. You ready? Strolling time. Strolling time 어디다 보이지 너? 여기 보이든? Wait a minute. Hey.
잠깐만.
아, 여기를 잡아야 되나? 응? 네, 들어. 오, 왔어. 발 조심해. 야, 나한테 되지.
문 닫아?
Let's go. Let's go to the vet. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, my heart right here.
야.
Your dogs are looking for your cats every time EXP's cats cry. Can you hear them meowing?
가자. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow.
Let's go.
Meow.
왜 이렇게 이게 내려앉았어?
내려앉았다고? 확인해도 저기 나가서 확인해. 여기서 저기.
혹시라도 여기서 잘못돼가지고 뭐 팍 떨어져가지고 뭐가 열리거나 이러면
일단 나가서 확인하자고. 이쪽으로 와야 돼. This way. This way. 땡. 빨리 와. 이쪽으로 와야 돼. 야, 이거 어디 뭐 고장났다고?
아니,
Stroller is okay?
it's not stable now. Something wrong?
It's too heavy?
Yes, sir. Oh, it's okay.
Who is crying?
아메.
Ame is crying?
킹킹.
What happened? Something broken? Gosh. Don't fight there.
They are not fighting. I'm just.
Yeah. Look inside, they're heavy.
킹킹, you should sit here more. You're just.
Yeah, it was a hiss.
아메, no scratching, no scratching. 아메, don't scratch here.
I think it's a big cat. 네,
Okay.
뭐 문제야?
It's okay.
Let's go.
Ame. Let's go.
Let's go. Strolling. Strolling, strolling. 아메. Yeah, flea party. Flea party. And I just worried if we should change all our shirts and bed and blanket.
I guess so.
Huh? Meow. Meow.
이 친구 걔야.
Meow.
얘 줘야지. 야옹. 잘 있었어? 응, 아옹. 이리 와.
Our cats are jealous.
아옹.
Cats are jealous.
킹킹 이거 봐. 아옹.
Jealous. Oh, is that noodle? That noodle.
Let's go.
Also, I think you got flea from the street cat. Huh?
아, 아메 또 여기 들어가.
Also, you got one flea from the street cat.
Yeah, but I don't touch them.
You never touch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because of
일단 빨리 가. 여기 빨리 지나가야 돼.
여기 너무.
나가줄게.
Hey, here's a two.
Very slanted.
아메, 아메,
왜?
아메.
Under the floor? Just the best, just a private 18 month. Thank you very much. Thank you.
아, 어떻게 내려가?
내가 잡아줄 테니까. 아직 가지 마.
오케이.
네.
거기 조심해야 돼. 거기를 그냥 그렇게
응.
밀기만 해도 되지? 그냥 빨리 가야 돼.
Okay, 됐지? Almost done?
Yeah.
Okay. 아멘. Yeah, it's the first time to see the Busan street.
Yeah. I think King loves it.
He loves it.
이런 식으로 좀 데리고 나오면
응.
진드기는 없어질 텐데.
응.
광합성을 해야 돼. 비타민 D를 받아야 돼.
웃겨 죽겠네. It's an adventure.
아메는 여기 가려주는 게 좋구나.
Yeah, you should thank the flea. It's the first time to see Busan street.
이렇게 오빠 어디 있는지 알지?
어? 더 하면 돼. 숨어 있어.
이쪽으로 다 몰려서 또. 여기가 명당이네, 뒤쪽이. 뒷좌석이. They loves backseat.
Yeah, the backseat stroller. 기다려봐. I should check the map first. 대충 가는 법을 알아야 될 것 같아. 이름이 뭐였더라? 만박이었던 만박. 만박 vet. It takes 12 minutes?
By walk?
Yeah. By walk.
아, 매트리스 되게 저기 하네.
쭉 내려가면 돼.
Let's go. 여기. 아메. 아, it's a 킹king. 킹king, you
Can you hear
scared?
the crying?
응.
Can you hear the crying?
킹king scared? 킹킹이.
You're the man.
킹킹이.
king.
킹킹이. 아메. 아메. 응.
아메 왜?
아메 crying.
Three cats. 거기. 원래는 이쪽으로 하는 게 제일 빠른데 못 가니까. It goes straight down. 네.
아메. 아메.
Do your cats speak Korean? No, Japanese. Wow. You know where it is? You know where it is? Meow. They're scared. Vincent van Gogh. I'm still, kawaii. Okay, so from here down here, is that heavy, Hasa?
That's okay.
Is that heavy?
That's okay. Not heavy.
Casserole.
Yuki. Yuki.
What do you think about adventure? What do you think about adventure? Casserole.